Okay, this is our heavy-duty rig housing. We come out to your location, we'll measure it. We put doors, windows where you need them, straps and buckles to fasten it to your framework. Keep the wind and the rain off of you for a safer environment in the wintertime. It's all made with the same 18 and 22 ounce material we stock. Straps and buckles on everything. Another service we offer is to spring. When you take your tarps down, we'll come out to your rig, pick them up, bring them in, power wash them, clean them, repair any holes in them, store them for the summer, and return them back to you in the wintertime.
Hello, my name's Andy Lewis, president of Lewis Manufacturing Company located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. We are a fourth-generation family business started in 1936. We manufacture quality American-made pulling grips, swivels, and canvas products for the utility industry. Thank you for visiting our virtual trade show. This trade show is set up to further the education of our customers and end users with the aspects of all of our products. We have a series of videos set up in a trade show format with our booth set up as we would in any regular trade show. Thank you very much.